Hi, my name is Diksha, and in this video, I will walk you through the code for my homepage task, that is task 4.1p. And let's see file by file. First of all, here is the header file that I make. First of all, let me run this and let's see the interface first. So here's the website. This is the navigation bar. Here is the options for login and sign up. And here is the introductory picture. And these are the featured articles as we can see. Um, the picture of the article, the title of the article, description, the author, and the star ratings as well. Here, if we click it, we can see all the articles. I haven't attached the link with it, but it can be attached further. And here are the featured tutorials. These featured articles and tutorials are of same format. And here is a different component for the sign up box. And we can enter our email and subscribe. It's of For now it's of no use, but it can be stored further. And this is the footer box. Here I edit the explore, support, and stay connected parts. These contain different kinds of links and all. So let's go code and file. Let- Um, yes. So here's the header file, and this is for the header part. Uh, Inside the header, there is a heading tag with the site title and a navigation section, as I told now. And it's the CSS file for header. And next is we have here it's featured articles. So there is the featured articles JS file. I used an array for that, and array has three objects, and each object contain a title, description, and image, file name, and the author name, and after that a star rating. And after that there is an link of see all articles. Here is the CSS file of featured articles. And I made the same thing for featured tutorials as well. So it's the same for both, kind of same. I followed the same structure of code, and that's the CSS file of featured tutorials. Um, then I have the sign up box. Sign up box is here. And I used placeholder and type email for this. We can enter our email and then press the subscribe button. Here is the CSS file of sign up box. After that, for the last footer part, I named the file as color box. Um, there is a div called footer columns. Here I used footer columns. And in the first column, I added links under explore like home, question, articles, and tutorials. And in the support part, I added links like FAQs, help, and contact. This can here can be added more links in the future, but I haven't did it now. And in the third part, I added the Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.com. Here also links can be inserted in these three as well. And that's all. Here's the CSS file of color box. Here it is. And finally, to combine all this, here is my app.js. I react all the CSS files and my components, that is header, featured articles, tutorial, sign up box, and color box, in order so they can render one by one after on each page. And this is app.css. And That's all for task 4 point. That's all from my side for task 4.1p.